at the Riverbend bar. Said this here Blackbird bourbon will launch you like a star. First sip I was laughing, second sip I was loud, third sip I was flapping right there in the crowd. Blackbird bourbon makes you think you can fly. Flap your arms, tilt your head to the sky. Blackbird bourbon, it'll steal your mind slow. You'll be dancing on the table, cawing like a crow, like a crow. Caw, caw. Floor started waving like a wheat field seed.
Ceiling turned to thunderheads rolling over me.
Saw 3 bartenders, or maybe 22.
Kept hearing nevermore now, but I kept yelling Kahoo!
Blackbird bourbon makes you think you can fly. Flap your arms, tilt your head to the sky. Blackbird bourbon, it'll steal your mind slow. You'll be dancing on the table, cawing like a crow, like a crow. Feathers in my daydreams, gravel in my throat. Thought I was gliding, I was just in my coat. Sheriff shook his head saying, son, time to go. But I just clicked my heels and gave one last crow.
Hey!
Blackbird bourbon
Blackbird
makes you think you can fly. Flap your arms, tilt your head to the sky. Blackbird bourbon, it'll steal your mind slow. You'll be dancing on the table, cawing like a crow, like a crow.